I'm going to show you how to receive money from your Cash App if you have over $500. And you need to know that there's a fee if you want your money instantly of 1.5%. So let's go through this process. So I'm going to scroll down. As you see my Cash App, if it don't pop up, you can just type cash and you see my app right there. And I received $717 today. So to cash this out, or to put it into my bank account or my black card that I got from Square, just hit the $711 and you can add it to your card. And I'm gonna hit this cash out. And it says I have $711 available, and you can move this back and forth if you don't want all of it. But I'm gonna take all my money. I'm gonna hit cash out. So you got cash out. If you want it instantly, you're gonna have to pay $10. I'm gonna have to pay $10.66. So it'll go straight into my account. But since I don't need it right away, I'm gonna do this standard. Well, today is Thursday, so it's on standard, it'll be there on Monday. So I'm gonna hit the Monday. So I got it linked to my Bank of America. So I'm gonna enter my ID. And I'm gonna enter my passcode. And that's my Bank of America. So it's linking and logging on to my Bank of America. And would you like to send a code? I'm gonna just tell it to send me a text message. So now I got to enter this code 073246. 073246. Next. It's pretty slow. It's going through the process. Okay, what account would you like it? I'm gonna put it into my checking account, the Advanced Plus Banking. I'm gonna hit that. It says $711 would be available in your bank on Monday. Done. So they didn't charge me a fee. So if I wanted it instantly, I would have had to pay $10.11. Was it $10.63? So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.